Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm your Jio plan is active and your SIM is registered. Once done, make sure mobile data is on and check signal bars. Weak signal means slow speed. Move nearer a window or go up one floor to improve reception, because distance and obstacles reduce throughput. Then restart your phone and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh network attach. This resets the radio and often restores optimal cell tower routing for faster data. Next, you optimize the device. Close background apps and disable autosync because background traffic eats bandwidth. Make sure system and app updates are paused during tests. Otherwise, you measure downloads, not network health. Then set preferred network to LTE or 4G only to avoid unnecessary switching to slower 3G. Also change DNS to a low-latency resolver such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. This reduces page lookup time and often feels snappier when web pages load. Finally, apply advanced tweaks. If indoors and signal remains weak, use a signal booster, external antenna, or enable Wi-Fi calling. These route voice and data via your home Wi-Fi and bypass poor cellular coverage. Test speeds with a reliable app to validate changes. If needed, reset APN to Jio's default or an optimized custom APN to fix routing issues. If problems persist, reinsert the SIM, try another device to isolate the phone, and then contact Jio support for tower-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.